In this video, I'm going to show you how to weld in Affinity. Now, there's actually two ways, and I'm going to show you both. Now, first, you must have some text on here like me. You want to select it and highlight over it, and then you can go to up here where you can see it says window, click on it, and then hover over text and enable this character over here. It's going to pop up a side panel, and then over here, you can see this button which says tracking, and if you basically just like move to the right or to the left, it's going to basically bring those letters, separate letters together. Okay, so that's one way. However, it doesn't give you that much control. So I'm going to show you how to actually do it manually and with much better precision. So let me actually show you. Now, the first thing you have to do again is just select the move tool and select your text. And when you do that, you want to go ahead and right click over it if it's going to allow me. There we go. Right click and click on convert to curves. When you do this over here, you're now going to have curves, and each and every single letter is going to be a singular curve and a separate letter. So you can then just go ahead and move it around like this, and then like that over here, and you could go here, for example, again, bring this one more close, and then of course the last one as well, and you could go ahead and do this for as many letters as you wish. So that's how to do it. Those are the two easiest ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.